friends, let us consider one example. For a square matrix A, prove that A plus A dash is a symmetric matrix and A minus A dash is a skew symmetric matrix. Here A is a matrix and A dash is a transpose of matrix A. Let us find out its solution. We all know A is called symmetric matrix if A dash is equals to A, and A is called skew symmetric matrix when A dash is equals to minus of A. That's it. Now we have to prove this a symmetric matrix. For this we have to take its transpose, means I have to prove this property. I will use this property on A plus A dash, then I can prove this a symmetric matrix. Firstly take its transpose, A plus A dash, the whole transpose. Now how can I solve it? Now I know the property of transpose. A plus B whole dash is equals to A dash plus B dash. Just use this property on this. According to this, put this first element here and take its transpose and put here addition sign, then take second element in its transpose. Here second element is A dash. Now take its transpose. Now we all know the property of transpose. A double dash is equals to A. So here I can put A. It means here you can see A plus A dash whole transpose is equals to A dash plus A. It means this matrix transpose is same as this matrix, so it is a symmetric matrix. So here I can say A plus A dash is symmetric matrix. Now I have to prove A dash is a skew symmetric matrix. Now take this one, A minus A dash. Now compute its transpose. How can I compute it? I know this property with a negative sign. A dash minus B dash. By using this property I can solve it. Here take A transpose, now minus A transpose transpose. Now I know the fourth property of transpose, that is A double dash is equals to A. It means A dash minus, this can be written as A. Here A. Now take minus common from this, minus A dash plus A, and it can be written as minus A dash, because that is a commutative property. I can write it as this. Minus is outside the bracket. Now you can see this one, A minus A dash, the whole transpose is equals to negative of this. It means it satisfies the skew symmetric property, so it can be written as this, and we can say A minus A dash is skew symmetric